Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have a domain from Squarespace but want to use it with Google Sites? In this video, I will walk you through the complete setup step by step on how to connect a Squarespace domain to Google Sites in just 5 minutes. First of all, go to Google Sites.com and log into your Google account. Either create or open the site you want to connect. Once ready, click the Publish button in the top right corner. In the web address, in the web address field, choose a short name. This is temporary. We will use your custom domain next. Now visit domains.google.com, domains.google.com, and click Manage Domain from here. If your Squarespace domain isn't here, don't worry, we will set it up manually. Click Use a domain you own from a third party and enter your full Squarespace domain for example, yourname.com. Google will now give you a few DNS records to connect your domain. You will see CNAME for verification and A records pointing to Google IPs. Keep, the, keep this tab open. We will now head to Squarespace to apply these settings. Go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Click Domains from your account dashboard. At the top left corner, then choose the domain you want to connect. Click DNS from this page. Click DNS settings and then click Advanced Settings. Delete any existing A records that are there. Now, one by one, add the 4 Google A records provided earlier. It's look like 216.239.32.21 etc. Then add the CNAME record for verification, usually pointing www to ghs.googlehosted.com. Use the TTL or time to live as 3600 if required. After saving DNS settings in Squarespace, go back to Google Sites and Publish Settings. Then select Custom Domain and type your full domain and click Verify and Publish. It may take a few minutes to connect fully, be patient. And that's it. Your Squarespace domain is now pointing to your Google site, clean, custom, and professional. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full Google Sites design workthrough. Thanks for watching.